You can actually create AI videos for free, monetize them on all social media platforms, and earn money from them. I'm here to teach you how to do that. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Precious, and if you're interested in knowing how to create AI videos, making money online, growing your social media platforms, I'm here for you. Just click the subscribe button. The movie you just watched was created using free AI tool. Many people are making money using AI automation in 2026, and I'm going to put you through on how you can do that, which is why you should follow my channel.
Firstly, head on to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT the story you want. ChatGPT will write the whole script for you. All you have to do is to edit it to your taste. You can see ChatGPT have written my whole script for me. Then I'll tell ChatGPT, give me image prompts, dialogue script with motion prompts. With this, I can just generate from text to video, and I can also generate image to video. So now let's do that. ChatGPT will give me my answers now, and then all I have to do is to copy and paste in the site that will generate my videos for me for free. This particular site generates pictures. All you need to do is to tell ChatGPT to create your prompt, and you just paste it for it to create your images for you. This is the name of the site, BEO3AI. It can generate images to video and text to video, but we'll generate images to video first. But you have to sign up before using the site. So now I'm going to sign up with my email address. Once you sign up, you will see this interface. The next thing you want to do is to go to your ChatGPT and copy only the image prompt. You leave the dialogue and the rest. Then you will paste it in your VEO3 that is generating your videos for you. Then you choose Nano Banana 2 Lite. You do that for all your images. You head on to ChatGPT and copy the image prompt from each scene and click generate. You can see that my image is generating, and boom, my image is ready. The next step is image to video. You go and input all your pictures. For this aspect ratio, we know that 16.9 is for YouTube, and we know that 9.16 is for Facebook and TikTok. So you have to input all your pictures and do the correct setting. See, my picture is loading. Once it loads, the next step is to head on to ChatGPT and go and copy your dialogue. Copy and paste it in this video generating site, and then click generate. You can see my video is generating. We are going to generate text to video. That means we will not even do any picture. I'm going to teach you. My video is ready. Now let's listen to it.
You deserve a life far greater than this.
At just 22, Amara believed life was full of endless possibilities. She had little money, but her heart overflowed with hope.
You can also generate your text straight to videos, especially if you don't have time to be generating your images first before you turn it into a video. You just go to ChatGPT, you copy your dialogue, your image prompt, your motion prompt, and then you paste it on your video generator, and it will just generate your video for you. But you have to pay for this one. It's only from image to video that you won't pay. Now let's see what our text to video created.
You deserve a life far greater than this.
I've never met anyone like you.
At just 22, Amara believed life was full of endless possibilities. She had little money, but her heart overflowed with hope.
In my next video, I'll be teaching you how to create cartoons using free AI tools. You must not pay a huge amount of money because you want to create AI videos. If this video was helpful, like and share to the next person so that the next person can benefit too.